this is M16 AI to review and rate. So I'm doing OpenAI GPT-4. I'm going to review the model architecture innovations. Okay, so explain what these map functions are. I said to explain what these map functions are. Okay. And it does explain them like a squared b squared equals c squared variance theorem. A sphere, which common form of the sphere's geometric pyramid, volume surface area, and where b is base or h is height, the third of the base and the height volume is, and then a rectangular prism cube is volume equals area cubed. Circle with the radius was pi times r squared, which of the of r is and then circumference is 2 pi r, so it's 2 times pi times r. And the cosine function, geometric graphs, square planes. So it is all right. It's just I don't remember learning this in like science class. This one, f minus kx. I don't remember that one. A bunch of these other common ones I do remember, and they're right. And then the top sequence below says the correct answer is C, because each figure has top outside circle, bottom outside circle, 2 side circles in a center shape. And this is adaptability. This is adaptability of various domains, like answering questions, like math, like sequence puzzle questions, I guess. And okay, and it says it is C because top and bottom circles alternate colors. And it's white, striped, black, white. So the next top circle should be white. And it says the correct answer is C. This next bottom circle should be striped, only B and E fit that part. Yep. B is the top, E is the top, only white, and the bottom should be striped. But you're based upon the sequence, so if you're based inside the center, though, this is tricky because it should be white, and then there should be black, and then it should be but it'd be yeah, because then I guess you're combining that. It's kind of tricky though. And then the center shape pattern. So a straight vertical capsule, none, square, triangle, square duplex after none. The square force of triangle is resets. The next directly turns to simply with E triangle again. Yep. And then left white, right black. Yeah, because the center ones, you actually go by the center ones in order. Yep. They go by what's in order actually. White. And then square. And then black. Yep. It does get you right. I believe that is right. And then the circular intuition puzzle, it says correct answer is B. And let's see if I'm right. No, I'm not. I don't think it would be B though. I thought it would be C because if you have the 2 eyes on this and then have the black on top, white on the bottom, I think it would be white on top, black on the bottom. But let's actually look at the answers for for 2, which should be the first one. New answer B, and they actually got it wrong. It is B because the dot at the top alternates with black, white, black. Yep. That makes sense. Oh, because of the dots alternating at top. But there is no circle right there though, so based on the inside that would be right. But on the outside it would have to be B though. Be based on the outside only. Which and then it says a figure right in the center alternates triangle, circle, square. And the dot to the left of it alternates. But it doesn't. But it does not say that alternates circle though. It does not say that though, so you would think it would be empty, but and then circle continuous sequence. I thought it was C in this one. Yes, and it is C on this one because you see the screen, the white on top, and the bottom is black. Then because they already done it where the white and the black are on the sides, and then they're opposite of each other, like the left and right sides, and then the top is the black and the bottom is white. So that was only one option. It could be diagonals, but doesn't. You would see a diagonal in there if it was a diagonal one. So that is wrong. And I thought this would kind of tricky though because the circle. Okay. And then I'm going to review developer-friendly features. Okay. So, let's find something. Okay, now I'll log into ChatGPT. Okay, let's do upload files. Okay, let's do portfolio. Now let's say rate this go off of let's see the portfolio, see if okay, and let's see if I were grading this as strict instructor hang measure rubric, really at a B minus, C plus range overall. It says range is technical coursework, but the naming tools would help. Okay, and real project names lab with smart work rather than just rank lists. Besides genuine comprehension concept and copied buzzwords. It's true. But it's too wordy, it says. Random fresh writing problems. Any small issues. The conversations of polished professoring. And many slides repeat the same structure, it says. And then if you're very plain. Missing evidence. Yeah, but integration is weak. So I'd say A plus, minus for technical knowledge, A for effort, C plus for communication, C for pressure presentation, C minus for visual design, and B minus for effectiveness. Yep, that lacks visual communication. You just need more like visuals. And reduce the text a little bit. Okay, which makes sense. And what do I rate it? Well, I'd probably rate it like a 6 because like a 5, actually like a 6 because I just don't like the adaptively to various domains, like the math problems or the puzzles. And the puzzles they got wrong which I don't like at all.